Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And today, I would like for you to join us for my wife celebration for a new construction home that she acquisitioned on Airport Road in Lakeland. Yes, we are gonna have an open house celebration at the $1.3 million clubhouse that is for the resident who rent this home. Actually, we've already rented the home to a lovely family, and we're inviting you to the clubhouse, to the amenity center. That's right, on August the 19th at 1 p.m. All right, we're gonna have a question and ask. We're gonna be asking social media their answers. Come out and join us. This is Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC, 863-410-0877. Thank you.